But Sundays are for lovers, Mondays are for EBT videos. It's a happy Monday, man. Billy Sekun and Actually, Mondays are a chance for you to tell me what was your favorite sporting moment of the weekend. And you have to have a favorite sporting moment of the weekend because what an amazing weekend of football we had. We had the Soweto derby where Kaizer Chiefs took on the Orlando Pirates. Hey, it scores Bambi Samazinho, but the Orlando Pirates won that game by 3-0. Look and go on the other side. You also had another top of the table encounter where Mamelodi Sundowns took on Sekhukhune United and they won that game by 3-1. We can get on the other side. You also had GDL top 8 finals where we saw Kaizer Chiefs winning the under 19 by a goal to nil against the Irisau. We also had Mamelodi Sundowns beating the Siwelele under 15 to win that one. You make sure you keep your eyes glued on your screens because South African football is going to another level. We are approaching the end of the season and it is a race for that Betway Premiership League title. What was your favorite sporting moment of the week? Kamnandi.